Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam and in today's video we will discuss about 20 minutes English routine. If you apply this routine at least for 3 months on a daily basis, you will see so much of improvement in your English. So before we start, one request. If you like my video, please do subscribe. When I started learning English during my college days, I was overconfident. I thought English is so easy. Anyone can learn this in 3 months. So I set a target of my own that in 3 months I will show my friends, my family members that I can speak English so well. 3 months went by, 4 months went by. My English didn't improve. It was on the same level. 6 months went by. Still I found myself, I am not improving at all. So what I did, I went to my English professor. I asked my sir, "Sir, please help me, please guide me, and please tell me how can I learn English in 6 months' time?" My teacher asked me, "Can you give 20 minutes every day to your English lessons?" I said, "I will try." He got angry. He said, "If you are trying, then go to somewhere else. If you say that you will be committed and you are dedicated, then I will give you a lesson plan, a routine, 20 minutes every day, and you will see the difference." I promised him every day 20 minutes for 3 months I will dedicate. So that 20 minutes routine I am going to share with you now. Okay, so please watch till the end. 5 minutes of listening every day. Listening plays a very big role in learning English. You may know English, but when it comes to listening, there are so many different accents. Some speak in the Indian accent, some speak in Australian accent, some speak in American accent. So you will be puzzled. You will feel that what they are speaking, I'm unable to understand. So you have to develop your listening skill first. There is a website. It's called ELLLO.org. It is a wonderful website. Let me share with you some details about this website. You can log into ELLLO.org. When you log in there, this is the page you will be getting. The best thing about this is that you get all the videos, all the lessons in the level wise. You can choose whichever level you are in and you can start learning English. Next, they have created a vocab. The vocab part is there. You can see the vocab is there. The next 5 minutes you have to spend for your speaking. Speaking plays a very big role in shaping your English skill. Okay, if you can speak English properly, you gain confidence, and that means you have reached certain level in English. Understanding is fine. Most of us, we understand English, but when it comes to speaking, initially we all fumble. Our minds stop working. So we have to work in this field. Reading out loud is also a great technique to improve your speaking skill. Another website which is coming in my mind is speakandimprove.com. You can log into this website. It's basically a robot. Okay, let me show you, give you some details about this website. You can log into Google and type speakandimprove.com. See, when you go to this website, okay, you find a robot. You can talk to the robot. See here, I will show you a demo.
What's your name?
What's your name? So I have to say, see here, start speaking. My name is Rupam Sil. Stop here. Okay, next.
How do you spell your family name?
S-I-L, Sil. Next.
Where are you from?
Where are you from? I am from India. Okay, in this way you can listen also. I am from India. Got it? So this is a wonderful way of learning English. Some people, they find very difficult in talking to oneself. If there is no one, you have to talk to yourself. That is difficult. In this way, you can log into this website and talk to the robot. Also, I have shared with you the website just some time back, ello.org. In that website, there are videos being made. Okay, there are videos wherein they will ask you some question. You have to answer it, yes or no. Also, try to elaborate. Suppose they ask you, would you like to take selfie of your own? You can just say yes and just give some reason why you like to take selfie. After that, the video will be there. You can play the video. The speaker will be speaking. You can take the idea. Some words also you can pick up from there. What he or she is speaking. How it is different from what you said. This is a wonderful way of learning English. We have 10 minutes left. Out of these 10 minutes, 7 minutes will go for your vocabulary. Once you are done with your reading, once you are done with your speaking and listening, it is obvious that you come across some new words. When you come across these new words, you save it anywhere you like, in your notebook or your notepad. Save those words and find the meaning. Getting the meaning of these words, and you can try finding sentences for that. Suppose we have a word romance, okay? We have a word romance. So now you have to find the meaning of what is romance. Going to Google, you get it, and find sentences out of that. And once you understand that, try to use those words in your daily conversation. Finally, we have 3 minutes left. We will finish our 20 minutes daily routine session with these 3 minutes. That is called minutes of reflection. Here, I want you to make your dream diary or dream board. What does it mean? It is a board or a diary where you write down your wishes. Suppose you have a wish that I want to stay fit and build six-pack abs. I want to buy a luxury car in the next 2 years. I want to go to America for my higher studies. Write it down in your board. I encourage you to write at least 100 wishes. Be very specific about what you write. I am learning English so that one day I become a good speaker. I become a good English speaker and I earn a lot of money. I can help a lot of people. Put everything in your dream board and just think that you are getting closer to your dreams. And English is the instrument. English will be helping you to reach your dreams, to reach your goal. So my dear friends, this is the 20 minutes daily routine. If you practice regularly, no one can stop you. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.